lesson, we will learn about inverse Laplace transform. As we have seen earlier, uh, to solve a differential equation using Laplace transform, there are three steps. Okay, first is to find the Laplace transform, then algebraic manipulation, and then to take the inverse. We have already seen this. We used the Laplace transform table to do this. Now we are going to see this, how to do the inverse. Okay, so these are the three basic steps. This is the formal, the correct actual equation how to do inverse, but we won't be using this. We will use the table. Okay, we will use the table similar to how we did the Laplace transform. However, for inverse Laplace transform, sometimes the S domain function, the expression is such that we won't find it straight from the table. Okay, for example, this one we won't find in the table. And whenever you see multiple terms in the denominator, you won't find it in the table. Okay, because if you look at the table, there's only one term at the bottom. Okay, so whenever we have a function like this, we have to do one extra step. We have to convert it into a partial fraction. We have to do partial fraction. Once we do partial fraction, we'll get each term with only one term in the denominator, one s terms. Okay, once we do this, then we can use the table to find the time domain function. But for this module, I won't require you to do the partial fraction. Whenever there's a need, the partial fraction will be given to you. So this will be given. You just need to do the transform of the table. Okay, now let's look at this example, this question. This is the S domain function, or let's see here. So first step is to do partial fraction, and this partial fraction will be given to you. So once you've done the partial fraction, then we do the inverse Laplace transform. To do this, we just refer to the table. Okay, the table is here. 7.5 over S. This is based on the first row. Okay, it's basically 1 times 7.5. So we just write the 7.5 times 1 over S. We get this. Okay, and 6.5, this is just a constant. So we just refer to 1 over S plus 3, which is, you have to see here as domain. It's similar to this form, 1 over S plus A, where A is 3. So once we transform, okay, this should be actually 200, not 3. I made a mistake. Okay, S plus 200. So when we transform, we will get 6.5 times e to the power minus 200a. Okay, so the 200 here is the a. That's all. So any transform, we just follow this table and we can immediately do it. Okay, first step is to do the partial fraction and then to do the transform. A few things I want to highlight here. Do not put equals to over here. Okay, because this is S domain, this is T domain. And also note, for S domain we put capital I because this is the Laplace form, and the time domain we put small letter I. Okay, this is the normal convention which we have to follow. For time domain, use lowercase, capital domain use uppercase. And these are two different functions, so don't put equals to. This is is, this is it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.